Legoland na checkout chi, right?
Yep.
So now we are heading to Animal Kingdom.
Yes.
Yay. So the day Animal Kingdom la do you any Animal Kingdom liruwa ani kinsala ya video jik gane yan de ochoyi ani shimaka la ore tensla ra ani nganzu de anda drive chinro de big Animal Kingdom la, so we can show you the view Florida gachi. That's Florida such a the end mangcha flat risha shingo makudu ani chu makudu ani any program by this is seen this is any once we done, then we'll see you guys at the Animal Kingdom. And Animal Kingdom Animal Kingdom big word. Okay, adios. Parking the leso. Right, Rixa? Animal Kingdom lesa. Disney Animal Kingdom. Ah. Okay. Make sure car yapos lock chi ba motor. Tatu.
Lisa.
Tensi Rixa.
This way.
Yeah. Ooh, sure. 파킹 컨디션 보다. 먼저 수수 하지르다 9:30 예스르다.
Hi friends, welcome to Animal Kingdom. You're parked in Giraffe 41 today.
Oh, 41. 41르다. 41. Okay, what's up?
Disney Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
So does Disney too?
Yeah, Disney too.
Can we go to Disney first?
응.
Yeah.
얘 졸라 어디 디즈니 라드리 드기르다. 답변이 비긴 디즈니 애니멀 킹덤 같이다. 그래서 디즈니 애니멀 디즈니 리얼 서비스. Arisa, you exciting? Oh.
This is a giant lion. Literally a giant lion.
Yeah.
So how long will it take?
Okay.
Hey folks, please do not walk side by side. You're gonna have to walk single file.
Hello, this is Disney Animal Kingdom first time.
First time. Yes.
보죠.
한번 보고 나서 뭐 할래? 네. 나 보고 싶으잖아.
나오다. At the entrance, Risha. 신동 어디 빼는지 못. अपने कार्ड लेंगे किसने कार्ड इन्हें बेचते ही दो अंदर स्कैन ची ini yang musuh ni susah. Oh my god.
Sunday do that समझता है.
मैं पंजे बहुत गया था. Dinosaur, Asia, Africa, बहुत गया था. ताको दी Oasis ले दिले शायद Oasis.
Oasis देता है ना.
वो तो नहीं, बगिंग जेल है. 당분간 어디 더 적었습니다. 자녀는 자녀서 그 질량이 따가죠. Wow, look at that tree. Nice. tree de ni 좀 쉬워져다. 아, 이제 좀 되나 좀 되나 하지. 아. The shopping 진짜 많거든요. Trading company. Oh, hello. It's a bird.
Any one of our friends here, we do ask that you keep walking through the line straight down the bridge. You have to make sure we keep this walkway moving. Hi friends, if you are interested in meeting him,
It's called dinosaur. This is crocodile. Woohoo! There. Is that crocodile? This is called American crocodile.
Oh, the white ones.
Dinosaur. It's not open yet. Whoa. Dinosaur entrance. Hello. That's a real skeleton. Hey, look at that. Okay, yeah, it's not the dinosaur,这么多。好的呀，哎，你叫啥？
Ay, görüşürüz dedim. Ay, erişiriz. Hadi ki gel. Gel buradan gel. I'm just tired of that. Ini buku pek kita çeşit. Bu da ya o ne duruyor? Ne? Si, koda aslı. Yeah,
Lisa, how was it?
How was the ride?
So fun.
So fun.
So
Yeah.
fun?
Can you look at? Can you tell in the camera? The best
How's
ride
picture?
ever.
How do you want, Lisa?
Lisa.
How was it?
Oh, so fun.
So fun?
Yeah. Can't get me.
Yeah. Yeah, dinosaur.
얘 빨리 들어와. 빨리 와. Look at the picture.
Ngayon na to Theodore.
Yeah. You're crying.
빨리 달로.
Oh my god! Ito ko to di siya nangulong ulit siya.
네, 형 어디 잡았나?
Look at Amma. Oh my god.
Have me. That's fine.
No, get in the Risani yata di siya tom di siya.
Kaçça tarı, kaçça.
Before Kite Trails officially takes flight, we'd like to add some extra fun
Ah, a
to
lot of
the
people.
Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary Celebration! Feel free to clap along and join in the Kite Trails fun! Here we go! Woo! Sing it out!
Since the dawn of time, the air around us has held an ancient magic. When the wind picks up just right, it can carry the sights and sounds from the lush jungles of India to the grand canvas of sky above. Join us now as we allow the magic of Disney storytelling to soar like never before.
다양한 그 Asia or Asia lista.
All right, right there.
네, 좀 맞추대. 출연도 돼. 어제 네 나로 저 라인 뒤에서 빠지고 있어요.
Let's go back out.
아, 벌써 저기다. Lisa,
No, ayan lang.
so we still have about 50 minutes.
Lisa, let's stand. Other side. Okay, now show me your face.
네, 저기로 와. Let's go. but this is now, bro.
Just so we're certain.
Whoa.
Right, jugina deneriz. Right, jugina.
Yes.
Dene min mat.
Mo tango. Aya. Lama. We can dress up.
I'm at the exit.
Oh my god, right, 찍
How is
차가.
Let's not come back. Okay.
아,
You wanna go? This one? 미 너무 좋아. 라인에 여름 거다. Jangan lock ball dah. Jangan lock ball. Jangan lock ball ya. So the waiting time is 1 hour.
No, I ain't going.
Ada yang. Ini ada tu good line. 1 hour line.
Everest right, the Everest right.
Jangan gomba. The rafting, kali river rafting dah. Tahu not train. Line di os tu chagas line tu itu. Ada nak jalan sekombat tu. Now dah gombat tu. Ada ya.
Oh no, it's spinning around right in the holding zone. Oh yes, we did. You're gonna get it. Oh no, we're safe.
It's gonna go down. It's gonna go down.
What's up?
Oh no. Oh no. It's in the Oh, I'm so. Yeah, what do you think?
Look at that.
You got it. I think my shirt just hides it. Oh no. Here's the river
Yep.
Thank you. Seguridad de dirá cuándo de la balsa a la plataforma.
De hecho, te puede depender.
Necesitará para su próxima aventura. Gracias. Welcome back, my friends. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Then inside the ramp. The expedition will let you know with your...
Down Africa lesson. 4단계 아시아.
Tadi Afrika gi dirisha. Area di. Indanias. Ah. Afrika radi. Mombasa marketplace.
I was looking. It took me 2 seconds.
Jangan dulu, jangan melan deh. Saya dah pernah. Handira. They're lightning lanes. Wild Africa track. You want to go in there?
Mommy, bring it up. Usually dung, saliva, and mud. Once they bake in the hot Savannah sun, they get as hard as concrete and make really good scratching posts for larger animals. Now, what I was saying about hyenas is they are mostly known as scavengers, but they're actually pretty successful predators and hunters. So there's actually been cases where hyenas have done all the work to hunt the prey down and take it down, and then lions will come along and steal the prey. The lions are the scavengers in the case. And here are some wildebeest. Wildebeest will migrate across Africa in a herd with 1.5 million altogether at one time. Since there's so many moving at once, you can apparently see them from outer space. Wildebeest have been known to migrate alongside other animals such as zebras and have been documented going together over 300 miles just to find water together. That's like a 300-mile walk to the fridge. That's crazy. You'll notice a jagged edge to these giraffe spots. That's because they're Maasai giraffe. Whereas over at Animal Kingdom Lodge, we have reticulated giraffe, and their faces and rear ends that brightens as they get excited. For a lot of primates, like gorillas, when they smell a bunch out there. Now, something that I didn't mention about baobab trees earlier, since we got a couple here, I'll talk about them, is to figure out how old baobab trees are. They don't count the rings like they do with other trees. Since they have that hollow tank inside to save water, that wouldn't be accurate. So they have to use carbon dating to figure out how old they are, and they get thousands of years old. Which is so cool. All right, here's the flamboyance of greater flamingos. They are the largest species of flamingos, standing at 5 foot tall. They're also the lightest in food color they get from the beta carotene and the brine, shrimp, and other small aquatic creatures they eat. They're actually standing on one of the largest hidden Mickeys on Disney property. Where Mickey's nose would be is where the trees come out of.
네, 먼저 고릴라. 얘니. 근데 고릴라 집에 Ada gorila. هذا تجاه يجسد من خلاص ده شيء
Oh, I got a very good.
tiger
Oh, the tiger too long. I think tiger is
drink
thirsty.
water
Way too high for me.
Wow, she's beautiful.
When you're all done doing that, just come back to the train station and the train will bring you right back here to Merafe when you're all done. Trains run every 5 to 7 minutes to bring you back here to Merafe.
something like this
Why don't you have the rest of your day here at
ini yang mau semut dah
Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite Disney characters inspired by live animals from one of our animals.
랑고다 무르다 라다 룩다 정말다 Look, brother. Look in there. Look. Look. Oh, there. Find the kid. Oh, there. Sige, lakwa cakap nama lu. Oh, deh, tiga deh, pakwa. Deh, iya. Ini dia.
Pakwa nyal deh.
Ini mati di sini.
Pakwa dah se tak nyal deh.
Dia lagi. Wow, the Pandora the movie chua, the Avatar. The park the Pandora like do. The movie in the Avatar the movie the best kind of show. Wow, Pandora right there. Wow. Riva.
Slowly.
How's it, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's it there?
The dinosaur ride was
look.
so much better.
Oh, 꽤 있는 곳에 지금. Avatar movie. 아니다. Animal Kingdom 엄청 비싸.
Adam Travel Beach also. That finally, it's all done.
땅 치스다 땅 치.
강아지.
太好了。
你们是看的 American food 啥你们的？那Disney就当个这边养好了上天。我们这边是谁呀？7:30了。那个是 we're gonna head to over there. So
알았어.
yeah, I can't wait to eat the jetang, curry tang, barnyong and that. I can't wait to eat.
사자 하나 사가지.
Yeah,
내가 어디 Animal Kingdom 샀어.
Yeah. Any price doesn't need.
메인 Animal Kingdom 좀 주나면 돼. 이 Lightning Lane 제가 인심 또도.
인진 민지 또 오더니. 아니.
이게 나 샤샤란 줘도 와. 이 맨날 이 라이트라 지지 되어도 군이.
Oh my god. Who tak po na pekalimsat.
Yeah, who tak po na right.
Yeah.
Okay, Lightning ticket just don't know pe ako next time.
Yeah, the next time I'm going to definitely fast lane. They're going to do it. It's so worth it. Oh my god, right? I should see the last food. And who bet hangchi. And whining. And yeah, good banga the color of the jala manga chiodura, pekala. So, I mean, Animal Kingdom tagarawe. Ani, ngazo, ani, kala sa regional ra.
Okay.
And malala, ani ngazo video di siwa di ani tuchinang. Please, any like and share and subscribe. Suta Menau, whoever haven't watched our channel, please watch and subscribe and like and share.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Yeah, bye. 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 It's a bite. Bye. Thank you.
I miss you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, please like and share our channel.
Please like and share and subscribe. Subscribe on our channel.
Okay, bye.
All right. Bye. Love you.